What are you doing, Landon? Okay, good job. Uh-huh. Let me see. Uh-huh. Wait, where are you putting it? Doesn't go there. Here, let me help you.
Why don't you put on some carpet where it's more comfortable?
Good job, Landon.
I'm on carpet.
I'm recording him. Where's that one go? Oh, good job. Oh my goodness, yeah? Where's that one go? It's weird that he's picking them up in order. Let's see. Yeah, good job. I can't see.
You had it.
Where's that one go? No, it doesn't go there.
It doesn't?
No. Where?
In the corner.
Don't tell him. Grandpa told you. Okay, next one. Get more pieces. Yeah, it does go there. You can do it.
No, you had it. You had it first time. Yeah. Use two hands.
Good job. Last piece. Oh, did you get it? Almost. No. Wow, good job, Landon. Look, good job. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say I like to do puzzles. How old are you? How old are you? That's your name. How old are you?
2.
2? And what's your name? What's your favorite color? You don't know? You're playing with the puzzle? Can you give Mommy a kiss? Oh, the camera a kiss? Oh, okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say peace.
Peace.
Say later.
Here.